Hey everybody, so we're doing another vlog. So I wanted to do a vlog for you guys showing how I get myself organized and ready for my day if I have a bride book or if I have a bridal party book. So how I get myself organized, and as a makeup artist what you should do and what you shouldn't do before your client arrives. So let's do that. I'm just gonna do like a day in my life kind of thing. So I don't know why I'm looking so oily or so shiny. I don't know what's going on with my forehead. I had shower like around an hour ago and I did my skincare ritual, and I'm just gonna like do some stuff before I get myself ready, and I'll just show you everything else. So yeah, so what I'm doing right now is I'm just gonna have something to eat and then make some coffee. Without coffee I cannot function. I already have my lunch prepared. If you guys are wondering why I have a light on in such a bright sunny day, it's because this heat is intense and it's making my house even hotter. So I have all the blinds closed so my house is as dark as possible, so it stays cool. Tip for you guys. So I'm just gonna have some food now and I'll make some coffee and then we'll catch you in a bit. Do you want to see something else? There you go, the sleeping beauty. Sahiba, oh Buggy. Hi. Hi. He's sleeping, he's resting too because he hasn't been very well. Anyway, so let's just have some lunch. So guys, I'm just gonna have my lunch if you're interested to know what I eat for lunch. So I'm being super healthy right now, so I'm just gonna have some salmon and some brown rice, and I love my salad. I make my salad like in a separate bowl, so I have a lot of salad. I just had my lunch, but before I make my coffee, I'm just gonna get myself ready because it's almost 2 o'clock. So what I'm gonna do is just gonna get myself ready first. What I usually do is for days like this when I have client coming, as soon as I have my lunch, I'm just gonna do a quick gargle with my Crest mouthwash. This is my favorite, and by the way guys, this is the 3D white one and it does work because I've been using it for a month now and my teeth seems to be getting a little more pale, like more white, which is great. So I'm just gonna quickly do this, and the one I'm using is old EOS one. It's almost finishing. Okay, and the first thing I'm going to go with is my Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. Absolutely loving this product right now. You can say I'm obsessing over this. And it smells so watermelony. It's so good. So I'm just gonna go with the beauty blender or a makeup sponge, the one I'm using, or I usually use, or I keep it in my bathroom when I need to do a quick makeup, is this Natasha Denona one. So I'm just gonna quickly go over with my beauty blender, make sure my face has sunk all the goodness of this mist. The next thing I'm going to do is my brows, and I'm using my Gimme Brow. As you can see, I have very full brows on anyway. Like I have really full brows naturally, but what I like to do is just fill up the spars kind of thing and just create kind of like more of like a, not bushy, more of like a feathery. So what I'm doing is I'm just basically flicking my brows upwards and very gentle strokes, and I'm just gonna make them a little feathery. So I don't know if you can do. So I'm gonna go straight with my concealer. I'm not going to apply any foundation or anything because I just want to look a little like a little awake and more glowy kind of thing, but I don't want to put too much makeup on either. I want to feel like it, like I have like some natural glow. So I'm just gonna do my Natasha Denona sponge. I like this sponge, but it's so firm. I have to really go with it. I feel like it doesn't have that bounce what Beauty Blender has, and it feels very tough on the skin. Like, it feels really tough on my face. What I'm going to do is take my Tarte Amazonian powder, loose powder, foundation powder, and the one I'm using today is in shade Fair Light Honey, and I'm just going to, it's really nice actually, it's really nice foundation powder. Absolutely love this because it's super light, but it gives you kind of like, I'll say, light coverage, light to medium kind of coverage if you build it up. But I'm just going a little bit with this because just want to make sure my skin is looking even. I like using powders in summer because I tend to sweat a lot, especially it's super hot right now, and my nose, like my T-zone, gets a little oily during summer. So I feel like if I use powder products, it just gives me more of a coverage I'm looking for, like more smooth coverage, and I don't sweat as much. And I have some few friends right here. These are hormonals. Otherwise, because my eyes needs some mascara, and today I'm using the Hourglass one. I got this mascara, I didn't buy it, it came as one of my reward point purchase from Sephora. So I'm gonna wear these ones. These are from a brand called Hello Beauty. I bought them from Amazon. They are, I can say these are a dupe for Ardell Demi Wispies because they are exactly like Demi Wispies. They are super fluttery, and they are super lightweight, and also they are and the band is extremely thin. So this is my wardrobe. Ooh, mess. I need to reorganize my wardrobe. Like, this is like so much of my stuff, unbelievable. I still got like a lot of winter stuff here hanging as well. I haven't got a chance to actually go through my wardrobe and go through everything and reorganize all of it, so I just need to do that. So, but I think for today I'm just gonna put, I love this top because it's really nice. Ooh, it's really super lightweight. I need to show you guys. It's very lightweight, and it's like half the sleeves, and I'm just all dressed up too. If you want to see, just wearing this top. It's really nice jersey kind of thing. I'm wearing with the black joggers kind of stuff, but it's more like a formal style joggers. The next thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna add some blush because I felt like I was looking too yellow. So I'm just picking up the shade Party from Tarte Cosmetics as well, and I'm just gonna add a little bit of a rosiness to my face. And the way I apply blush, especially when it's like this kind of makeup, I take my blush right up to my hairline so everything looks nice and smooth. A little bit more to my apples, and I apply this on with the same foundation brush, the same brush I use for applying my foundation, so it's looking more natural. See? I'm just gonna lift my lashes a little bit more. Once your lashes are completely dry, like once the glue is completely dry, you can puff around with it, make them more upwards, more like bare. But once it's dry, do not touch your lashes too much because then you'll have a struggle of them coming off and blah blah. And I always make sure if I'm going to be doing a client's makeup, I want my hair to be totally away from my go. I'm all ready, my braid is ready too. I like to keep my braid a little rough so it looks more like I didn't put much effort kind of thing, but it still looks pretty nice. I have to tell you this though, my hair color, which I just did it like because I found a good deal on a hair color and I was just like, yeah, let's just do it, let's try it. It came out pretty good. So there we go, guys. Just gonna, usually if I'm going out, I will put these away so they look more neat, but for home it's fine. I want to look like more relaxed than anything else. So we are all done. Just gonna go over my brush one more time just to make sure everything is nice. My lashes are fine, everything is good. So this is me ready for the client, and now I'm just gonna take you to my studio slash beauty room slash client room, everything, and then I'll show you how I set up everything for the client or to do a makeup on somebody else.